There is a wooden bridge going to... Oh, there's another place where there is a... Wow! Oh my God, I cannot believe this, man. I cannot really believe I am here right now. Unbelievable. Huh? Welcome visitors. We are only the visitors here. Why? Because this place is not really easy accessible. Oh, there is a building. There is a building 500 years ago. This is built by the Filipinos. Oh my God. This is so exhausting, exhilarating experience. Look at that. Maglipas ng gabi sa katubigan ng Suluan, bahagi ngayon ng Iwan. Ruta ng ekspedisyong Gallanes Elcano sa Pilipinas. Matapos magpalipas ng gabi sa katubigan ng Suluan, bahagi ngayon ng Gigdig. You see guys, hindi ko marunong masyadong bumasa ng Tagalog, sorry na lang ha. Ayan o. So, ayan si Magellan. Ito may dalang cross. Ito naman yung natives. Nag-uusap sila. Ang ibibigay nila yung buko. Ang ibibigay nila naman sa lapi, alahas. Ayan o, naka-box. Mayroon pang magnifying glass. Titingnan kung ano. Yan o. Yan. Wala tayong mai-offer sa kanila. Ito lang. Ano ba yan? Oh, yan. Ito may building. Ano ito? Uy! Pwede pala pumasok sa loob. CR siguro yan. Ito pala yung building. Parang barko pala. Doon sa harap. Sa likod muna tayo. Ano? Barko ito no? Yan, ito ang puwit ng barko. Pero gawa-gawa lang na lang siguro ito. Yan o. Wala man lang katao-tao, Diyos ko. Paano kung may mga... Diyos me. Ano ba ito? Yan. Punta tayo sa dulo ng barko. Kabila naman. Yan. Sulit yung pagod ko, bay. Talagang sulit na sulit. Yan. Ayan. Oh, yan. Nguso ng barko. Rua. Kung sa Tagalog, ano kaya? Dulo ng barko na lang. Ayan. Look at that. Beautiful. But I think it is not the original. It is just a replica of what Magellan ship looks like. Saka ka dia? Asa ka ni Agi dong? Arisod? Oh, there is an English version. On March 16, 1521, the day of St. Lazarus, the Spanish expedition to the Spice Island led by Ferdinand Magellan landed on this island. The expedition consisted of the ships Trinidad, Concepcion, and Victoria. The visitors stayed for 8 days to rest and refurbish their supplies with Magellan's servants Enrique from Malacca as interpreter. The great navigator extended to the islanders the message of goodwill from the King of Spain. This started the interaction of Filipinos with the Europeans. Okay? Yeah, that's it. Okay. Tabi po. Ha? Pasok ako ha. Huwag kayong ano ha. Tabi. Kuryang tabi. I am now entering inside the ship. I don't think it is exactly the replica of the ships that was here 507 years ago. Okay, look, I'm just very careful. Maybe the foundation is very weak, so I just very. Where is the stair? Come on. Okay. Okay, wala naman 500 years ago, hindi naman ganyan yung mga drawer nila. Guys. Oh, may lababo pa. So, ano lang yung mga visitor siya. Oh. This is already a place, resting place of birds because there are many tae-tae there. Ipot there. And look at that. Shh, Arnolfo, be silent because there are plenty of birds over there. You see, they are misting. Oh my God. Why I reached this place, man? I don't know. Okay. Oh, there are a lot of birds. Look at that. The birds there. The black one. Scared. On it. You see? Oh. I'm gonna go on top. I'm so tired, but I don't care. Doesn't matter. I'm here at the top of the boat. Dong! Uy, nanaog na ka, Dong! Video siya ko? Yeah, that's the after part. And this is the forward part. Adiot! I conquer the world! Thank you, Lord! I came to discover, to conquer 507 years ago. Here, Ferdinand Magellan landed here, the first place in the Philippines where he landed with his men. Alright, man. Pag TikTok ba?
Now I understand, I learned it firsthand. You.
Puri ang buyag.